Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to take a few minutes and talk about the handful of ways that you can create a work order from within FlowPath if you're logged in. So let's start with looking over here on your dashboard. We have this blue action button on the far right that says create work order. You can create a single work order this way by clicking that button. It's going to bring up a template with all of your tags here at the top. If you select the pencil icon next to any of these tags, you can start assigning things out. So for example, we can add our category. We can assign it to a particular user, select a location, any equipment that is related to it, set a status, watcher, assign vendors, hours worked, and so on. You can start to enter in your descriptions, upload any attachments. This supports any file format here, so you can upload images or video. You have a few actions down here. You can share a public page, print the work order, create an invoice, duplicate a work order, and then depending on your permission levels, you might notice this danger zone down here where you can delete a work order. As you're filling all of this stuff out, you'll notice this icon over here in the top right that says saved. Everything auto saves as you're typing through this. So any changes that you're making, it's automatically capturing those on the back end. So if you close out or click out of the work order, it saves all of your work for you. Another way you can create is by searching equipment. So if we select our drop down over here, we can type in a piece of equipment name. I'll type in boiler. This brings up the information for that piece of equipment. You can look at any historical or recent work orders here, but clicking this create work order will bring up that same template here where we can start tagging things out. You can also do bulk creates. So this is a great way if you're going about your day and you're taking notes on, let's say, multiple different work orders that you have to submit at the end of the day. This is a really nice way to quickly submit those if you need to do, let's say, like 10 at a time. So you can come in and start selecting your locations, your categories, equipment, set a priority if you need to, and then just type in a short description here and click create. So you can see that this one here is on file, and then we can start typing in the other ones. Once you're finished, you can say create all work orders, and it will put everything over in the pending column for you. The last option up here in this drop down, this is going to be great for your mobile users if they're on a cell phone or a tablet. They can open up their camera by saying select QR code to scan for an item. So if you have your equipment tagged with QR codes, they can simply select this option, scan it with their phone, and that will bring up that same template that we've been looking at. So just a really great way for mobile users to create work orders on the fly. And then lastly, just a bonus way to do this is if we go down to our equipment list over in our left-hand side navigation bar, you'll see the equipment name. You can click view. This has all of your equipment information, obviously, but if you scroll down a little bit, you can see your recent work order history. And using this button over on the right, you can create a work order directly from that piece of equipment and start filling everything out from here. So hopefully you find this helpful. Let us know if you have any questions. Feel free to send us an email or chat us through the app.